In a democracy, there has to be laws that will protect whistleblowers, because in the absence of such laws, it will be very difficult for people to report cases of corruption. A person has to be comfortable that when they report a case of corruption, particularly at the workplace, they will not be victimized, they will not face any appraisals. It's the same with journalists. Journalists cannot be forced to reveal their sources, because if they are to be forced to reveal their sources, it will be very difficult for them to engage in investigative journalism, because they will put their sources in danger if they are to be forced to reveal their identity. But that being said, we still have a gap on our continent, because there are very few countries that have laws that protect whistleblowers. And in some instances, we still have laws that compel journalists to reveal their sources. CSOs play a very important part in ensuring that journalists perform their duties in a conducive environment. Journalists have to be trained on how to report in an environment that is dangerous. They have to be equipped with skills of how to protect themselves, and CSOs play an important role in this regard. Judges also play a very important role, so that when cases come before them, cases dealing with laws that are inimical to the Constitution, they have to be able to set those laws aside. So for us to achieve complete freedom of expression on our continent, we all have to play a part. The police have a part to play in investigating cases of harassment or crimes committed against journalists. Prosecutors have to ensure that they prosecute those cases, and judges have the obligation to ensure that where the cases have been proved beyond reasonable doubt, they mete out proper conviction and sentences. Civil society organizations have to remain vigilant to ensure that they report cases of crimes committed against journalists.